Looking for a big brake kit for Jeep JK? Our tools and equipment appliance experts bought and tested the top 10 big brake kit for Jeep JK available in 2022 and put them through a rigorous side-by-side comparison to find the very best. Each model was subjected to a punishing quality of tests for whipping, mixing, and kneading. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect big brake kit for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 1 on our list, we have the Power Stop K279836 Z36 truck and tow front and rear brake kit. The list will start with this superb braking kit. It is made using the latest technology and provides powerful stopping power. It is a complete kit, having all the parts required to complete the braking system of a Wrangler Jeep. The company designed it in such a way that it can handle stress from mountain driving, towing and hauling well. If we talk about rotors, the manufacturer has drilled and slotted them to ensure they stay cool even under extreme temperature. Upgrading your old system with Z36 will upgrade the braking power of your Jeep, especially while driving through mountains or hilly areas. This package includes everything you need for tackling the harsh braking needs on the road. It comes with perfectly crafted rotors. The company has added carbon fiber on the pads for a dust-free formulation. Furthermore, you will succeed in reducing the embarrassing noise that occurs when using the product. The company uses an exclusive carbon fiber ceramic formula on this unit that directly boosts the braking power without affecting drivability in any manner. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 2 on our list, we have the Callahan CCK01644 front plus rear OE4 calipers plus 4 rotors plus quiet low dust 8 ceramic pads premium kit. The Callahan Brake Company is the runner-up for the list of best brake kits for Jeep JK. The braking system is a less popular model, but writers have found it to be surprisingly effective. It eliminates awful brake dust and provides a smoother driving experience. It also has top-quality calipers that will last a long time and are delivered with everything you need. There is proper testing and inspection performed by the manufacturing team before packaging this kit. You can install it straight from the package without any need for cleaning. The calipers available in this package are pretty efficient and completely safe for use. There is a solid set of extra protection offered by them to the brake pads. It also helps in minimizing the corrosion, along with making the life of the overall braking system better. Unlike traditional ceramic brake fluids, it comes with a carbon fiber ceramic cover that is very helpful in boosting the power of brakes. That's not all, the hardware delivered with the package is designed to make the stopping better, along with preventing dust. Overall, it is a nice noise-free upgrade that you can do for your Jeep without paying too much money. It is an incredible braking kit that hasn't disappointed buyers and only received a positive rating from everyone. At number 3 on our list, we have the R1 Concepts LN Series front rear black drilled. The third position is definitely deserved by this terrific braking kit sold by the R1 Concepts brand. It will definitely give a booster to your vehicle and allow them to pass through rugged roads in style. It is specially made for Wrangler Jeep, so there won't be any compatibility issue with this complete kit. The overall construction is quite nice and rugged enough to stop the Jeep instantly once you apply brakes. This kit is a perfect option for Jeep Wrangler that fits in all models manufactured from 2007 to 2019. The brake pads available in the kit are made from top-quality ceramic material causing minimum damage and lasts for many years. On the other hand, there is a diamond coating provided on the rotors that turn out to be a great blessing. It is an excellent package that includes 8 ceramic brake pads and 4 brake rotors that are drilled precisely for providing perfect heat dissipation. That's not all, the diamond slots work as a wear indicator and tell when there is time to change the rotor. After installing this braking kit, you will be able to stop the vehicle quickly and safely. The manufacturer has used state-of-the-art technology that allows them to create a perfect combination of performance and budget. At number 4 on our list, we have the Power Stop K3097 front Z23 carbon fiber brake pads. If you are very worried about the looks of your vehicle and don't want to compromise with it, then invest in the K3097 model. It is an incredible combination of beautiful looks and incredible performance that such buyers look at. It is crafted in the carbon design that only does not let the kit provide solid power, but also reduces the stopping distance to a high level. On top of that, it works silently even if you apply extreme brakes while riding on the road. There are dual-layer temperature shims available in the package for minimizing the noise level. Questioning the positioning of this best big brake kit for Jeep JK is almost an impossible task. The precise drilled design helps in providing the perfect heat dissipation, along with boosting friction, thanks to the slotted pads available in the package. That's not all. The company has offered high corrosion-resistant zinc plating that ensures solid longevity and durability. The kit is delivered in a ready-to-install package that makes sure buyers don't have to face too many complexities. You can improve the stopping power along with eliminating dust with the installation of this unit. There is also a fast break-in possible due to thermal scorching performed on the pad's surfaces. The manufacturer has provided powder coating on the backplate that minimizes corrosion and rust. At number 5 on our list, we have the Rough Country Extended F&R stainless brake lines. DOT-approved brake line kits offer the necessary extra length to install your application, perfect for anyone who wants to swap out poor-performing or decaying factory brake lines. Stainless steel replacements offer superior protection and a seriously long lifespan. Braided stainless steel exterior keeps your lines free from off-road debris, rocks, and mud that can penetrate factory rubber lines. Durable outer layer prevents expansion of the internal Teflon layer. High-quality hollow fasteners at both ends of each brake line and S at both ends provide a leak-free flow path. Backed by Rough Country's lifetime replacement. At number 6 on our list, we have the TeraFlex 4,303,420 JK Front Big Brake Kit. The TeraFlex JK Front Big Brake Kit is designed as a factory brake upgrade for JK owners looking for a performance brake package that will handle the increased braking requirements needed after larger wheels and tires are used. The simple bolt-on upgrade installation requires no cutting, welding or adapter bracketry. The Big Brake Kit features oversized 56mm dual piston calipers for increased clamping force and surface area. At number 7 on our list, we have the TeraFlex 4,304,450 JK Rear Big Rotor Kit with caliper brackets. The TeraFlex JK Performance Rear Big Rotor Kit is the perfect upgrade for JK Wrangler owners requiring increased braking performance with larger tires. This kit allows the factory brake caliper and brake pads to be retained while increasing the rotor diameter to 13.5 inch. The increased clamping distance from the rotor center results in greater braking leverage to allow stopping distance to be decreased substantially. Larger rotor diameter equals greater stopping power. The simple bolt-on installation upgrade requires absolutely no brake line modification or brake bleeding and can be installed with basic hand tools. At number 8 on our list, we have the Power Stop KC215436 Z36 Truck and Tow Front and Rear Caliper Kit. The Power Stop Z36 Truck and Tow Performance Brake Kit provides the superior stopping power demanded by those who tow boats, haul loads, tackle mountains, lift trucks, and play in the harshest conditions. The brake rotors are drilled to keep temperatures down during extreme braking and slotted to sweep away any debris for constant pad contact. Combined with our Z36 carbon fiber ceramic performance friction formulation, you can confidently push your rig to the limit and look good doing it with red powder brake calipers. At number 9 on our list, we have the Power Stop K279836 Z36 Truck and Tow Front and Rear Brake Kit. The Power Stop Z36 Truck and Tow Performance Brake Kit provides the superior stopping power demanded by those who tow boats, haul loads, tackle mountains, lift trucks, and play in the harshest conditions. The brake rotors are drilled to keep temperatures down during extreme braking and slotted to sweep away any debris for constant pad contact. Combined with our Z36 carbon fiber ceramic performance friction formulation, you can confidently push your rig to the limit. Always use jack stands. Never attempt to work on an elevated vehicle held in place only by a hydraulic jack. And finally at number 10 on our list, we have the TeraFlex 4,303,490 Brake Kit. The TeraFlex JK Front Performance Slotted Big Rotor Kit is an affordable upgrade for JK Wrangler and JK Wrangler Unlimited models, requiring increased braking performance with oversized and heavier wheels and 33 to 35 tires. This simple bolt-on upgrade doesn't require cutting or welding. JK Wrangler, 2-door, JK Wrangler Unlimited. Improved braking performance over factory brake system brake caliper relocating anchor brackets, retain factory brake calipers and pads, no brake bleeding or brake line modification, needed larger 338mm rotors for superior stopping performance stock is 11. 9. 302mm slotted rotors offer better heat dissipation than smooth rotors. Mill-balanced vented rotors for maximum heat dissipation. Rotors feature dual bolt patterns, 5x5 and 5x5. 5 100% bolt-on upgrade for easy installation. Requires a minimum of 17 diameter wheels. Front performance big rotor kit with standard brake rotors also available. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.